Representing Total Oval Group, it's my immense pleasure to approach all the children and parents of Oval Learning Initiations through this media. India is celebrating now 79th Independence Day. Every Indian should have that responsibility and feel that the development also in their hands. Mostly the children of this generation, they have more responsibility on their shoulders. Because they are enjoying the facilities, they are going to enjoy the fruits of today's hard work of the country tomorrow. So for any country, children are considered the prime source, the fundamental source of any country. As children they grow with responsibility, the children they grow with science and technology, children they grow with global education standards, children they grow with integrity, children they grow with discipline, where the love and affection of every parent should support. Dear parents, dear children, it is not like any other traditional festival. It is national celebration, national festival. This festivity has many objectives, but the ultimate and the end purpose of this celebration that we all should promise to carry the baton of this freedom to the future generations and to upgrade the standards of this country, not inferior to any other country. For that, the two things are very important. The responsibility of love and affection of the parents and culture through studies by the teachers. These two are prime and essential needs and immediate needs where every child should get them inherently. Finally, at the occasion that I submit this year in the school level or college level, as per the target set by our teachers last year, almost all we fulfilled in securing good ranks in national level IIT colleges, NIT colleges, IIIT colleges, and also this NEET orientation, medical colleges. And everywhere our children, they proved that they are worthy enough. Their contribution is very essential in the promotion of all the aspects of this country. Not only in academic results, also every campus, we give first priority in promoting the neatness, then good values of learning, the abilities of spoken, the cultural trends, the areas of learning. And also this year we brought another, parallel in the OVAL's structure scheme, the NCC, National Credit Corps. And once again, I take this opportunity. This year even we have higher targets than the previous year. We set ourselves in the effort zone all the time, because when we are in the effort zone, getting comfort is a cakewalk for all the children and everyone. So our targets are proportionate to the demands of promotion of this country and global challenges, not only in the number game, not only in the ranks and result game, but also conceptually, ethically, morally, even spiritually. The children are involving all the possible activities to get only slogan that we are all together to make a great nation, that is our loving country, Bharat. Once again, I convey Happy Independence Day. to all the parents, all the students through this message. Jai Hind.